An ancient king recorded every victory he ever won. But there's one battle that he never claimed. His name was Sennacherib, king of Assyria, one of the most powerful empires in the ancient world. And when he invaded Judah, he didn't lose. In his palace at Nineveh, he carved his victories into stone. They show the fall of Lachish, one of Judah's strongest cities. Soldiers advancing, walls collapsing, prisoners led away. And this story isn't just carved. The actual siege ramp is still there at Lachish. Stones piled high leading straight to the city walls, the same methods shown in the reliefs. In 2 Kings, this invasion is recorded. King Hezekiah watches as city after city falls to Sennacherib's army. Even Lachish is named. So far, both accounts match. But then there's Jerusalem, the capital city, the final target. Sennacherib surrounds it and demands surrender. We even have Sennacherib's written accounts. The Taylor Prism. Sennacherib writes, "I shut Hezekiah up like a bird in a cage in Jerusalem." And then nothing. But the Bible doesn't stop there. It records that something happened that very night. Not a battle, not a surrender, but an event that wiped out the Assyrian army. An angel of the Lord went out and struck down 185,000 Assyrian soldiers. By morning, they were gone. Whether you see this as divine interaction or something else, what matters is what happened next. Sennacherib never claims he conquered Jerusalem. No victory, no capture, just a return home. For a king that recorded everything, the silence is deafening.